Good morning all. Today we are going to classify Hello Unit 11, the grammar part, and let's start by zero conditional. Today we are going to talk about zero conditional, if zero conditional. Let's start. When we talk about zero conditional, we have to know two things. The first thing is the usage, or when we have to use it exactly. And the second one is the form, or how to use it. Let's start by the usage. We need to know exactly when we have to use zero conditional. We use zero conditional to talk about things that are facts or that are always true. Let's take an example. If a metal is heated, it expands. And now we can see that if we used if with both clauses. We have two clauses after if, like the first one, which is a metal is heated, and the second clause is it expands. So we have two clauses. Let's take another one. We get water if it rains. We get water if it rains. So we have also both clauses. We get water and it rains. I feel tired when it's late. I feel tired. This is the first part of the sentence. And the second part is it is late. And let's notice that we used the present simple tense in both clauses. So you can extract this by looking for the first part. When we said if a metal is heated, we underlined is, which is present simple, and the second part it expands, and it expands means that we used the present simple too. We get water, get, we get, present simple, and the second part is it rains, so we used present simple also. And from that we can extract the form, which is the second thing we have to know about if, which will be if plus present simple in the first part and present simple in the second part. So let's recap. The first thing we have to know about if, that we use if conditional, zero conditional, to talk about things that are always fact. Okay? And the second thing, that we use the present simple in both clauses. In the first part, which is present simple, and the second part, which is present simple too. Let's take some exercises. Let's see the first one. If the temperature of the water space 100 degree, it boils. We can see that it is fact, and we used present simple in the second part, so easily we can choose the first part in which tense. Yes, of course, present simple, as we said before. Will be, could be, maybe, is So the answer will be is. Why? Because we have to use the present simple in both parts of the sentence, so we have to use is in the first part. The second example, if water reaches the temperature of 100 degree, it can boil, boils, will have boiled. Yes, the answer will be boils. It boils. Why? Because we have to use the present simple in both parts. And the first part, we used present simple when we said if water reaches. So the second part will be it boils. The third example, if a metal is heated, it may expand, will expand, expands, would expand. Think. Yes, the answer will be expands. It expands. Present simple. Of course, I will send you this sheet to practice on, and later